I'm Billy Hawley. I own South Point Roofing and Construction. I've been in business since 2000. Custom remodeler, build new construction, custom homes. But we've been installing Atlas shingles now for probably the last 6 years. And one of the reasons why we do is we were driving through, this is a pretty affluent neighborhood, but we were driving through the neighborhood just a minute ago and I asked Dimitri what he was looking at, and he was looking at the streaking on some of the other houses that were in the community. And that's really the number one reason why we install these shingles. There's guaranteed for the life of the shingles to not streak. The other thing that we like a lot about them is their warranties. The customer has a 15-year peace of mind warranty, to where if there's a manufacturer defect within the first 15 years, they're not only going to pay for the material to replace the shingles, but they're going to pay us or someone like us to come in and take care of that problem. We install their system in order to be able to get the customer the warranties, and that includes doing the underlayment, the synthetic underlayment, their starter strip, as well as the hip and ridge shingle. Atlas's, there's some good manufacturers out there, but we believe that this is the best product on the market.